Be Fearless Hyena. Your mind is more powerful than you think. In fact, it may be sabotaging you from reaching the success you deserve. You might not know it yet, but when it comes to making real change in your life, your mind becomes your worst enemy. A lot of people talk about making a difference in the world. For most, it's all just talk. They never get around to actually those dreams they have shared. We have all done it, but why does this happen? It can be summed up in one word: fear. Yes, actually, fear. That's right. Like most people, your life is running from a place of fear. Nobody likes hearing that, but it is the truth. Fear has stopped you from believing the things you want. Right now, you might be thinking that is ridiculous. I don't think that's true. Guess what? And so many other similar thoughts. After all, that is our mind's job, to protect you. But like an overprotective mother, fretting about sending her child off on their first day of school, sometimes turns out the things your mind is using fear to protect you from are actually dangerous. And that's not all. Disguising your fear as safety isn't the only way your mind can confuse you. So be careful. Your mind thinks it knows how the world works. It causes you to believe in what is and what isn't possible, even when there are no real obstacles getting in your way. That's why you will never reach your full potential, be genuinely happy, live with a true power, and become as successful as you would like to be. Not if you remain a victim of your own mind. It is sad to see how our minds can mess with us. What fear, doubt, and worry does to us. What losing our power does to us. What losing our spirit does to us. It robs us of our success. It robs us of our confidence. It robs us of our joy. But there is nothing and no one stopping you from anything you want in life except your own mind. Learn to access your inner power so you can conquer your mind at will. Then you have a choice to make right now. Either you can take charge of your mind or let it continue to be in charge of you. Either you train your mind or it trains you. So which you want? Think and decide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.